near your destination, or you slip sliding away. I know a man, he came from my hometown. He wore his passion for a woman like a thorny crown. He said, Dolores, I live in fear. I never you so overpowering, I'm afraid that I might disappear. Slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You know, the nearer your destination, the more you slip sliding away. I know a woman, she became a wife. These are the very words she uses to describe her life. She says a good day ain't got no rain. She said a bad day, I just lie on my bed and think of things that might have been. Slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You know, the nearer your destination, the more you slip sliding away. I know a father had a son. You ought to tell his boy the reasons for the things he done. He came a long way just to explain. He kissed his boy as he lay sleeping, then he turned around and headed back home again. Slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You know, the nearer your destination, the more you slip sliding away. God's in control. God makes his plans. The information's unavailable to the mortal man. We work out our jobs, collect our pay. Believe we're gliding down the highway, when in fact we slip sliding away.